Hey guys, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how to get the iPhone overlay on your screen just like this here. So if this is something that you're interested in creating, then keep on watching. Here are a few things you're going to need to accomplish the iPhone green screen overlay. You will need an Apple device, a MacBook, iMac, or even your phone, since all three devices are compatible with the second tool you will need, which is iMovie editing software. You can also use Final Cut Pro, which is another editing software. However, in this tutorial, I'm only going to show you how to get the iPhone overlay in iMovie. I'll leave a link in the description box below to a video showing you how to implement the overlay in Final Cut. Last but not least, you will also need Keynote, which is organic to Apple products. So now that we've covered what you need, let's get editing. The first thing you're going to want to do is search for the device you want to display in your video. In your search, make sure you type PNG. This ensures your picture of choice has a transparent background. I went with the gold iPhone XS Max because that's the type of phone that I currently have, but feel free to choose whichever phone you want. Once you've found a picture that you're satisfied with, hover your mouse over it, right-click, select Save Image As, choose where you want the picture to be saved at. For this video, I created a folder titled iPhone Overlay Tutorial, so that's where I decided to save the file. I'm renaming it and then hitting save. The next step in the process is to open Keynote on your device. Create a new document and select white for your presentation theme. Once your presentation opens, delete the text boxes and proceed to change your background to a vibrant green. Now comes the fun part. Open your file manager and import the iPhone picture you saved earlier. Resize it and place it where you want it to appear on your video. Import your screen recording and begin sizing it to fit inside the iPhone picture. It might take a couple of tries to get the perfect fit, but once you do, the next thing you want to do is send the footage to the back. This will ultimately hide the sharp edges and give the illusion of an actual iPhone. Next, you want to select both the footage and the iPhone picture. Once selected, you want to then add your animation. For simplicity, I'm just going to add the appear animation and then preview the result. During the preview, you will notice the iPhone picture is delayed. We fixed this by going to the build order and fixing the arrangements. You want your iPhone picture to be number 1 and change the start from on click to after transition. Then select build 2 and change after build 1 to with build 1. Once you're satisfied with your final product, rename the file and save it in your desired folder. After you saved your file, you want to export it as a movie. You want the quality to be the best, so you choose 1080p and the playback will remain self-playing. Click next and proceed to save the file again. Click export. Now comes the most exciting part, seeing the green screen you created come to life. Open iMovie and select a project. I'm using old footage from my Christmas haul last year for this demonstration, but any footage you choose will do. If you want to watch that video, feel free to click the card at the top of the screen. Once your video is set up, you're ready to import your green screen. Import your green screen from the designated folder. Click and drag it on top of the video you chose when you first opened iMovie. You will then only be able to see the green screen you imported. To make the iPhone appear on top of the video, hit this box cutout icon and select Green Blue Screen. You will now see the iPhone overlaying the original footage. Speed up or slow down the iPhone overlay footage by right-clicking on the iPhone overlay and selecting Speed Editor. A circle will appear at the top of the overlay. Drag the circle to the left to speed up, drag to the right to slow down. The choice is yours. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope this made sense and I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.